Hi friend, it's still with me Rachel Ade Stearns in Indo USA Mom. Today I'm going to reveal my new purchase that I purchased today. It's a special for me because I've been really wanting it. It's a special bandolier series. It's not just like any Speedy, but it's a bandolier series. So before then, don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe because all of that is really helping me. So without further ado, let's do it. Friend, as I said earlier that I'm going to reveal the purchase that I purchased today is Speedy 25 Bandolier series. The reason why I do like it because I never really a Speedy person because I think that's such a huge bag, and the reason why I like the size is 25 because it's normally Speedy is come up with size 35, 45 or 55. So I do like it because they finally have the 25 series and it's in the bandolier series. The reason why I do like my bandolier series because I've been waiting for it to purchase it for myself. It's been out for a while, but I just been wanting it, and this time I'm actually personalize it with the red color that I like it. So let's do it. So I already opened it. So since I already opened it because since this is a personalized Speedy 25 Bandolier series, so we already opened it at the store. So it was come with the ribbon. If you ever buy bag from Louis Vuitton, they normally have a ribbon, all the jazz, and of course come in this thingy bob cover. And when I bought it, I also bought it's called the bandolier, special bandolier, and I asked them to wrap it. So you can actually ask them to wrap it for you. And when I was saying that this is personalized because I put this color, this red and the pink color. It's just like any regular Speedy, but the reason why it called the bandolier because this is special for the crossbody. So they have a special like this. So the thing, like a lot of people do crossbody, but they put it through this and to the other side, so which is kind of like tacky for me. So that's why I was really want to have it the bandoliers first series, so I can do this. So it does come out with the with this thing. So they actually already put it together for me because I want it as the so you put it like this, just like anything else. That, and that's it. Hold on, you probably put it down a bit so you can see it. So that's why I like this because it's special, especially for crossbody. Hold on, I kind of like need to move my chair. So yeah, that's why it's called the bandolier. Jadi begitu bilang gue mau ngambil orderan, gue disuruh duduk di sini, kasih ID. Yang lucu. Look at that, my order is arriving. Thank you. My 25 bandolier, personalized. I just personalized with the stripe though.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I don't want to put the name on it.
We will rewrap it for you.
I also want to purchase the scarf for the cover the handle. Would that be possible? Because I think it's a small one, and then they said that you can wrap it for me, right? There it is.
On the opposite side as well.
So cute. Especially buat ada cantolannya, bukan dicantolin di sini. The reason why it's bandolier karena cantolannya ada di sini, bukan di sini. So aku lagi mau beauty wrapnya. It's by Personalize. It's a red color there. Put this red color there.
And then this is the strap.
The strap over there.
And then I'll show you how to work the strap. How
Okay,
about we
go
do
ahead.
that?
Go
and
ahead, put
then
it in front of that.
Okay.
I'm not. Because when I came here, they make me buy like they only have the one that the new one. I always like the classic one, but they don't have it, so the only option is just this one. I like this one for sure.
Yeah, we'll give that one a shot for you. Would you use it?
So cute with the red one. Love this. Love it.
How do you want just wrapped around? Right?
Yeah, just wrap around, so
And then do you want this side showing or this side?
That's not matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I think maybe this one is showing, the pink one.
The pink one?
Yeah,
Gotcha. I agree. I like the pink one too.
yeah. I like, that's why it's a leopard thingy. But I like that one over there, the scarf, but he said it's to be too fat for it.
Yeah, some of them are too big.
So the reason why I like this bandolier because it's a size, it's like a really perfect size for me to go, and it's very small. It's not too tacky, it's not too big, and it's something that very special because I personalize with the color stripe all the way there. So from the far, if somebody tried to steal it from you, it was yours. So sorry, this kind of like the position. So yeah, that's why I like this bandolier. And you can also make it smaller. So this three thing is come with 3 part, 1 part, 2nd part, 3rd part. So because I'm going to use this as a crossbody, so therefore I put all the 3. But if you want to use it as shoulder, this is what it look like. So that's if you wanna use it as a shoulder. But I bought this specifically for the crossbody. So see, there you go, like that. That's what it's. So it's half the special thing that's especially for the crossbody. But again, I don't buy this for shoulder. I bought this for the crossbody. So therefore, this become this. Although somehow I feel that this is not going to be, yeah, see. And I like this scarf. This scarf is specifically for the bandolier because it's very small, and I like it, the color, and I like it this as leopard. So if you want to take a look at me, how small it is. So this is me in the bandolier. Hope this is going to help you, since this is a 25 bandolier series, Speedy. I'm not a Speedy person, but this is perfect size. I'm very happy this is my first Speedy, because I never want to be by Speedy because it's humongously huge. I have the huge one, which is the Neverfull and the Alma. So I'm into the small purse right now. So this is my 25 bandolier. So friend, that was my review about my purchase today, bandolier series of the Speedy. And also I'll let you know that bandolier series have an Alma and other series, but I'm actually have an eye on the Alma one, but I still not get it. I'm still thinking about it. So my next purchase, that my goal is to seek for the Alma bandolier series, which is the small one. Is I think I want to get the PM size. I know some of my friend granddaughter have the PM one, the nano series of the bandolier Alma. So that's probably my next eye on it. Hopefully I were gonna see it and grab it, because this one I've been asked for it for a while, and in our store near my house they don't have it, the 25 series, the 25 Speedy bandolier series. And I'm so happy that I got to personalize it with my colors, and I got this one. This is the last one, you know, this is the last one. And hope you like that. And if you have a question or anything, you can write in the comment, and don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Other than that, much love. Have a free life, have a happy life, and God bless you all. Peace out.